Hi there! Today we have in the house the newly launched Redmi Note 10s. Of course, we are all indoors, so it's house. Guys, everyone stay indoors, wear a mask and stay safe. Coming back, so I'm really excited for this device, and the reason is that Xiaomi has started shipping their budget phones like this one with an AMOLED display. And not just any grainy 720p resolution, but a crisp Full HD Plus display. Powering this baby is the MediaTek G95 processor. Can't wait to check it out. So let's straight jump into the unboxing. So here is the Redmi Note 10s. On the front you can see the image of the phone. Towards the back you can see some of its key features and specifications, starting with 64 megapixel AI quad camera, Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display, Helio G95 MediaTek processor, 5000 mAh battery with a 33-watt charger in the box. This is a deep sea blue color with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Made in India. Let's unbox it. Right on the top you can see the phone. I can't resist opening this. It looks... oh my god. Check this out. We'll have a look at it in a moment. Right on the top is the SIM ejector. We have a quick start guide. We have a nice solid transparent cover. We have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and it has this lovely orange-red accent to it. And a 33-watt solid fast charger provided in the box. Amazing. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. This deep sea blue color is just gorgeous. You can see the silver gradient to the sea blue getting all the way darker. The transition is amazing. The back has a matte finish, so no fingerprints at all. Frankly, you can use this phone even without a case, but a case would be better since it can protect the device better. On the top is a quad camera, 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro. A flash on the side along with ultra premium written on the side. Not really sure if you can actually see it, but I'm really liking this camera design. Nice touch of the chrome as well. On the front is a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 13 megapixel selfie camera right in the center. It's a dot cutout and pretty small. The display has a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and it supports a DCI-P3 color gamut with a peak brightness of 1100 nits. The display also comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection, so lesser prone to scratches and damages. By the way, even a screen protector comes prefixed on the display, which I believe is always good. Let's have a look at the ports. So at the top is an infrared sensor, a secondary noise cancelling mic and a speaker. Yes, the device comes with dual stereo speakers. On the right is the power button and the volume rocker. The power button also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Towards the left is the SIM tray. You can put 2 nano SIM cards and a dedicated micro SD card. Perfect. At the bottom is the speaker, USB-C port to charge and transfer data, microphone and a 3.5 headphone jack. It's amazing to see that the headphone jack has been retained. Also the port supports high-res audio, so audio geeks can enjoy. It weighs just 173 grams and feels really light considering it has a huge 5000 mAh battery. It also comes with UFS 2.2, so loading apps should be a lot faster. Alright, let's turn it on. Meanwhile, you can have a look at some of its key specs. MediaTek Helio G95, Mali G76 MC4 GPU, 6GB and 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, 128GB storage variant and 5000 mAh battery. And we're ready and booted, and check this out, the gorgeous AMOLED display. Let's check out the bloatware. There is some bloatware that we always see: Amazon, Facebook, Prime Videos, LinkedIn, Me Credit, Zilly, and of course the thing is that you can delete them if you want to. So that's great, but do we have a choice? They are going to be bundled along. We just have to get used to deleting them. Swipe from the top to access quick toggles. Swipe right and click on dark mode. That's something I really love. Now the benefit of dark mode is that every black pixel is not backlit and it actually saves battery. And above all, it's also very easy on the eyes. It's, of course, if you're indoors, it's kind of little easy on the eyes with the black background. Let's go into the settings. Go into about phone. We have Mi 12.5.2. So this is the first phone to come with 12.5.2. And we have 128GB variant which has only 15GB that is occupied, which is great. We are running Android version 11. So not too much bloatware, really convenient. This is only a 60 Hz display, there is no 120, there is no 90. But frankly, for this device of this budget with an AMOLED display, it's absolutely amazing. So smooth, check this out. Wow, no drop frames, no lag, really smooth. Let's have a quick look at the fingerprint scanner. So first thing we're going to do is set up a pin, and we're going with the most simplest one, 4 zeros, so that no one can open our phone. Okay, now we lift our phone and 1, 2. Okay, wasn't that fast, but let's go again. Yeah, it takes a second or two, but ooh, faster. It's getting faster. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. Ooh, that was fast. Initially, I thought that it is not as fast, but it's really responsive and really fast. And like I said before, the best part is if this is in your right hand, you can set up your thumb, and if it is in your left hand, you can set up your index finger, and if it's kept on the table, you can actually even set up your index finger. So when you want to open the phone, you simply just keep your index finger here and it will power on. But obviously, I've not said that yet. But yeah, it's great to set a couple of fingers so that it's convenient when you want to unlock it. Rest, everything works like a charm. Multitasking is smooth between apps. It's really a good experience. It's really fast, responsive, no problem at all. Wow. And what I'm surprised to see is that most apps are still in memory. Okay, that was to reload. But most apps are still in memory. There you go. And it's really fast. So install the Drm Info app, and when you come down below here, it shows that the device supports Wildwine L1 certification, which means it will play Netflix, Prime videos at full resolution. So here's a YouTube video playing, and you can actually zoom in to cover the full screen. The camera hole just blends in and almost disappears, though you can notice a small chin towards the bottom. The video is playing smoothly and looks absolutely stunning on this AMOLED display. The colors are vivid and the image is sharp. Alright, let's talk about the sound. So it has a dual stereo speakers on both the sides, and they get surprisingly loud. More than that, the movie experience with the stereo audio makes it so much more immersive. Check this out. So we've had very limited time with this device, but I can tell you that the 64 megapixel primary camera and the 8 megapixel ultra wide are very impressive, especially for a phone for this price. I'll be covering in detail about the camera and gaming in my full review, which should be up in a couple of days, so make sure you're subscribed. We aren't aware of the price and its availability at the time of making this video, but you can find the details for both in the description. Now with a Full HD Plus AMOLED display, a huge 5000 mAh battery with a 33 watt fast charger in the box, and a Helio G95 chipset on board, this should be an excellent mid-ranger device to grab. It's going to be available in 3 colors, the deep sea blue, onyx grey and pebble white. I'll leave the links for all in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or even complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.